Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and still freezing cold we are. Sorry about that. I've got two late entries in my giveaway. Now I don't know if this lady did send me a thing to say this was on its way, like a message. I don't remember getting it, and that's alright. Connie, this is Connie Munro, and I feel really bad, Connie, because I didn't actually have you in the draw. So your name will go into my names for people who send out Happy Mail sometime. Actually, what I want to do is I'll put them all into something and I'll draw out one occasionally and send somebody a Happy Mail, okay? So, this is your entry. Tore end of it. Thank you very much. I like the stamps too on there. Now, Connie Munro is in America, in the USA. And so she sent me this nice piece of paper there too. This is a lovely piece of paper. Thank you very much. And there's ribbon. Oh, that's to put on my tag, I think. Oh, here's the other side of the paper. Oh, I see. Yes. Oh, we've got a nice big note here. So she's been a subscriber of mine for 2 years. I often see her comments up there. I'm sure I do. I've seen your name before anyway, somewhere. I really love the vintage style and the gypsy style. So, and then her information here's here on the back. She just had a new grandbaby, so that's nice. I just go through it really fastly because I didn't want to. And then so it's got your address here, and it's also on the envelope. So I'll be putting that in the list of addresses and sending you. Something eventually, I hope. So this is, I imagine you left that out for me to put in there. Really nice tag. She's made this on a piece of paper. I don't know what this is. This is interesting. It feels like wax or something. That's intriguing. What that is. You might have put some wax on there. That's interesting if it is. Yes, because look. Okay, and there's a piece of, I bought some of this yesterday actually, even though I do have a truckload of it. Well, I have got some, I can't find it, so I just go and buy more things, and that's not good, is it? Because, and you know what? I've heard that people have confessed that they do exactly the same thing. If I want something and it's not handy, I'll go up the street and buy a bit. It only cost me $2, and now I've got plenty. And there's a lovely picture of a lady on there that you've, put on this. This is nice. This is a looks like a little card, and that's a nice piece of it's what's the name? You know, one of the sorry, beautiful flower. Okay, and then she's sewn it straight through there. That's really cool. That hold your flower on. A lot of people do a lot of yeah. So this must be some sort of. Can you tell me if it is? I can nearly move it. It's not come through the envelope. I was thinking maybe that it might have got wet in the mailbox, but we haven't had any rain. We've had plenty of frost though. That's really intriguing to me. Thank you very much for that. I really like that. It's very pretty, and for your lovely letter. Thank you. I'll read the rest of it a bit later on. Now I'm going to put up the other one that I got because I'm going to do both of them today because I've got other videos to do, and when you go to put them up, there's a lot of work to enter in each one, and so this will be probably entry number 31 because the next one that I'm going to open is actually from Sue Jennings, and I did put her in the draw because she left me a message to tell me that she'd sent the parcel. Connie, I hope that I haven't missed yours, and if I have, I'm terribly sorry. So this is what Sue sent me, and I have opened this up here, and I've got lots of bits in here. Look at this. Ooh. Well, this looks really interesting. Thank you. Little card says Sonia. Sue Jennings lives in Australia. She lives in the same magical, it says. I hope I'm not late. Things have been a bit hectic. Her hubby's not well. She's told me that previously. And she's plodding along. That's not good though, is it? You know, we all have our worries, and that's not good, Sue. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, so let's have a look at this. We've got in here, there's two little tails out here. This has got to be a tag. Oh, look at that. Wow. Gee, this is pretty, isn't it? Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, I love the paper too that you've used on that, Sue. That's really nice, that is. A lovely button. Did you make that? That's interesting. I love what you've done here with this frame. You put some glossy accents on there. I'm going to have to get something else like that. I never used mine. I'm sure it's no good anymore. Won't come out of the bottle. And there's bow. Love the bow you've made. And the tag. You've got a little, what's the name in there? These things, these eyelets, they're really strange things to put in, especially with your crocodile. I find them, they're different from these. Look, I know I'm going off on another thing. These eyelets, I think I bought these at Vinnie's anyway, actually have a little tiny thing on the back of them, a little round circle, and you hit it on and it sort of, I don't know, but that's how these ones work. It's an eyelet kit with a tool in there. But the ones that you put on with the crocodile, they don't have anything at the back of them. But that's okay. I'm just saying that when I seen these, I thought, it's strange, how come that other one, the others don't? But I suppose you couldn't put it through the crocodile. I'll just show you what I'm talking about in case you don't know. Oops. See this? You put... Oh. Right, let's get the rest of it off here and salvage this piece. Shows you on the back how you do it. So you put this down first. Sorry, I went on the sidetrack, but that's okay. You put that down first. Then you put your eyelet on there like so. Then you get whatever it is that you want to. I can't actually show you what to do because it's going to be a belting thing and a noise, and you won't want to hear that. Then you put that on. Then you put that on. How you figure out where that is, I never know. Then you put that. Oops, wait a minute. Where's the other bit? Here's a bit here. And then you put that on there, and you put this on here, and you hit this with the hammer, you know, and then that comes out like so. I don't think the crocodile might, I don't know if it'll take that size. I suppose it will. I'll have a look. Some of these I find really hard to work. Some of them I find really hard to work. That'll fit through there, but I don't think the holes, I don't know if it will. I'm going to stick that on it like that. See if I can. There's no way. No way will that press that sort of heavier thing. It did cut it, but it wouldn't. Oh well, I suppose it would push it through. And then I've got to get a hammer and knock that down because that's not the same sort of eyelet, is it? So there you go. There's a difference, isn't there? The other ones that are only thin, you know, they're only little. Now I've got to find somewhere to put them because I don't want to lose them. The other ones that are only little that we use and that go through really easy with these, well, I guess that's how it works. So I know now that I can't use... Try and close these. You know what, I'll close them and then I'll take me ages to work out how to open them, which is just by pressing that button down. So we'll see how I go next time I try to do that. Sorry, Sue, I've interrupted that the showing of the goodies, but I just wanted to speak about that, and otherwise I would have forgotten. Like the paper. Now, here I've got, she's made me other bits and pieces. She said, oh, look at the bees. Oh, wow. Gee, they're nice, aren't they? Okay. Oh, dear. My hubby's going to be a bee man. He is. Oh, look at this. I love these. Oh, wow, Sue, this is really nice. Your work is really good, isn't it? Look at this. I'm going to be able to put businesses in here. Look, I'm going to use these in my books, or I'm going to... Isn't this nice? I love what you've done here with this. These look really nice. Thank you so much out of the paper. And there's more, look. Yeah, look at this. Wow. Oh, they're good. Sue, I love them. I've got something in here. Something in here. What is this I've got here now? Let me see. She made me some stickers. You make these? I'm sure that's a sticker. Did you make them? You might have done. I think you could have. Oh, look, these are really good, Sue. Thank you very much. Unless you bought them on the thing and then cut them apart, I don't know. But maybe you made them. I don't know how would you do that, but I love these stamps. Love these stamps. And the little envelopes. Another little envelope. Another little envelope. Thank you very much. I will use those in my journals. Thank you very much. You left me a message. She said I might be able to use a few things. I hope I can too. Thank you. Postcards and things. Oh, look at the bees. We'll have our first lot of bees next month. That'll be interesting. My hubby's going to be one of them bee-keeping people. Oh, look. You have to, because the bees, we need the bees really, really bad. These are bumblebees, I think. I think these are bumblebees. Look what she's done. She's made me some gorgeous pockets. Wow, aren't these cool? Wow, oh, I love them. Thank you so much. I do love them. Oh dear, aren't they nice? Oh, there's more. Thank you, Sue. Oh, look at you've cut me out something to play with. And you've printed these off. And the paper is beautiful, and the colours are just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Wow. Aren't these nice? I'll be able to have some of those. I said to Jeremy I might have to make him a journal one day, but now we can do bees. Put bees in it. Oh, so you've sent me these ones that I can use to make them. Okay, I'll wait until I've got something that I can make a nice fold in them. Gee, they look good. I do love them. I don't know what sort that one is, but I think this is a bumblebee. And I don't know about any of the others, so they're nice bees, though. And bees don't actually attack you unless they are vicious ones. And I've learned a lot about them. Oh, dear. My husband's been studying up on them for about a year now, nearly. He likes to know what he's doing before he gets started, so that's good. And he's going to have his garden and his bees, and it's good though, doesn't it? How old you? Oh, well, he's not old. He's only a baby compared with me, really. You still need something in your life, don't you? And something new is really always good to learn something different. And Jeremy's always been that sort of person. He's not trying to make some sort of invention or other. He's doing some sort of experiments of some sort, or doing. Yeah, so that's good. He gets himself busy. So thank you very much, girls, for those lovely entries. And I'll talk to you later. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye-bye.